First Enoch 101 chapter. The fear of YHWH that nature teaches. Examine the heaven, you sons of heaven, and all the works of the Most High, and be afraid to do evil in his presence. If he closes the windows of heaven and hinders the rain and the dew from descending upon the earth because of you, what will you do? Or if he sends his anger against you and your deeds, is it not you who would entreat him? Because you utter bold and hard words against his righteousness, you shall have no peace. Do you not see the sailors of the ships, how their ships are tossed up and down by the billows, and are shaken by the winds, and they become anxious? On this account it is evident that they are seized by fear, for they will discharge all their valuable property, the goods that are with them, and to the sea. They think in their hearts that the sea will swallow them up, and they will perish in it. Is not the entire sea and all her waters and all her movements the very work of the Most High? Has he not ordered her courses of action and her waters? Indeed, her totality with sand? At his rebuke, they become frightened, and she dries up. Then her fish die, and all that is in her. But you sinners who are upon the earth, fear him not. Did he not make the heaven and the earth and all that is in them? Who gave the knowledge of wisdom to all those who move upon the earth and in the sea? Do not the sailors of the ships fear the sea? Yet the sinners do not fear the Most High.